Okay, so I work a full-time job. It's been fine all week. I get to Saturday morning and this is what greets me. So, sorry if content's going to be a bit limited this weekend. I'll do my best to find things. Okay, so I've been forced inside by some bad weather, so I thought we'd have a go at repairing the tabs on this plastic undertray. As you can see, the bits that were torn off were still on the car with the bolt for it. So we should be able to match it back up. Okay, so for this repair we've got some just cheap eBay epoxy glue. We've obviously got the broken parts, use a takeaway lid as a mixer and a disposable knife. Got just a regular kitchen cleaning cloth to give it just a clean. We're then going to sand it to make sure the glue's got something to stick to. Got some gaffer tape to just seal the other side so the glue doesn't leak, and then some drywall tape just to give it some structure and again to stop the glue just running away. And also the white hair dryer just to warm the plastic so I can bend it and just let the epoxy cure a bit quicker. Okay, so I'm just going to give the area a quick clean. Just get any dirt and debris off. Make sure the glue can stick to the plastic and not to any grease or anything that's going to stop the bond. Just tweak it gently back into shape. It's a lot more pliable now. Just going to sand around the edges, just give the glue something extra to stick to. This is set in minutes epoxy. Okay, so you mix equal portions. Just start off with a small amount. Then you mix the two colours together until they kind of form a cloudy liquid. I'm just going to put a bit all around the joint. Give it as much strength as possible. Apply on the glue. You see this has already started to cure. It's already solid. Okay, it's the next morning. That's making a nice solid repair. There we go, that's picked up. That's picking up from the repair. So that's how it's going to bolt through. So I'm really confident that's going to be as strong, if not stronger than the original.